Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing? I hope everyone is well. All right, guys, I'm back with Impact Mailing Club. I've been pretty busy, okay, talking to people on the phone, making some changes in my business, but I am still here. And I want to come back with Impact Mailing Club. Let you guys know everything is still working. Business is doing very well, so it's definitely a perfect time to get started. Everybody's at home. They're checking their mailboxes, so this is a perfect time for you to start mailing your flyers, okay? Before we get started, though, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And check this out. I don't know if you guys ever juice. You need energy. Juicing is the way to go, guys. It's a great way to get all your fruits and vegetables in your system very quickly at a cellular level. I love it. Juicing, okay? Anyway, I had to plug that in. So, Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail program, guys, okay? What they do is they sell targeted leads, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. Because we know when you get in a home-based business, what's the biggest obstacle you have, right? You're excited, you have a great product, you're like, oh, I've got to share this with my friends, my family, my coworkers, right? So the biggest obstacle is leads. Who am I going to present this to? Who can I tell this to? So we've solved that problem for you. We sell leads. We are lead affiliates or lead brokers, if you will, okay? So we already have these people. These are targeted people that you want to promote to, okay? So when you get started, you're buying a lead package. We have several lead packages listed, okay? Take a look at my flyer. I'm going to put the link below so you can go check it out at your leisure. I'm going to make this a short video. I've got lots of things to do today, okay? So you're going to get this flyer. It's going to explain everything, okay? And what's wonderful about it is you're going to be paid directly from the person that joins you. You don't have to wait on a paycheck from the company. It's member to member, okay? So when people join and they pick a package, they're going to mail you your commission and they're going to mail you stamps. I have so many stamps, okay? This is just a few of them, but I have lots and lots of stamps. All I do is take the ones that people send me and I put them back on flyers and mail them out. So I'm not even buying stamps for the program, okay? Okay, so as you build your team, this will happen for you as well. And then it has a second tier. It's 2 levels to this, okay? So when your team makes money, you make money, okay? So that is leverage. So you're going to be effortlessly receiving commissions from your team's efforts, okay? It's very powerful, okay? And it has high ticket, mid ticket, and low ticket, okay? So there is a level for everyone to get started. Very affordable. From $100 to $50, $500, or $2,000 to get started. So you can make high ticket all the way down to $65. Or the second tier, there's many levels on the second tier that you can get paid. So the commissions are unlimited. All you need to do is put the effort forward to mail your flyers consistently. You have the leads. When you run out of leads or you want more leads, you just go back to the company because you're a member of the club. You get a discount. And you buy more leads, names and addresses of people to mail your flyer to, okay? And when they decide to join, they have to pay you directly. That's it, okay? Consistency. So, when you join me, I'm going to also match the amount of leads that you get with your package, okay? So let's say you came in at the diamond level. The diamond comes with 1,000 leads. So I'm going to match that, and I'm also going to send you 1,000 leads. So therefore, you have 2,000 names and addresses of people to mail to. So you don't have to bug friends, family, co-workers. We don't do that. We talk to targeted people, people that's like-minded, like you and I, that's interested in making money from home. That solves that problem, right? So now you're going to also get a funnel, okay? If you're interested in automating this system, Impact Mailing Club, I have a sales funnel for you as well. I also have a custom cover letter. So that way you can put your picture and your name and number on your cover letter. Okay, and you mail it with your flyer. So that way people can see that you're a real person, okay? It's a simple system. Don't overthink it. If it sounds like it's something you're interested in, jot down your questions. I'll put my information below. Give me a call. Let's chat, okay? That's it. No pressure. All right, now, with that being said, I've got a few packages I'm going to show you guys, okay? This is 4, and I've got a few on the way. But I want you guys also to know that the cash cow is going very well. I'm getting lots of calls, lots of interest in that program, that postcard program. Okay, so if you're interested in postcard marketing, I'll put some information below on that as well. Okay, now let me show you some more results that I've received. Okay, here's one, and I always block out names and the address of people, so that way their address is not out here, so you'll see me do that. So here's one. I don't even have the name on here. I don't know who it is, but they're out of Texas. So let's open it up and check it out. Okay, but simplicity, I like to keep things simple, and that way it's duplicatable, because if you can do it and you make it simple, the people that join you can do it, and so forth. Okay, so that's how we want to keep it. Okay, this is from Michelle. She's out of Dallas, Texas. Okay, gonna cover this up so we're not showing her information. Welcome, Michelle. And then remember, I'll be mailing you guys. Look for 2 emails. One from the company, your welcome email. So make sure you check your emails, guys. You get an email from me, and you're going to get an email from the company. Okay? Okay, this is 65 bucks and a book of stamps. That means she came in at the emerald level. Okay? And it says it on here. Here's the information she mailed back in. But if you look here, the emerald pays $65. So I sold that lead package. Okay? That's a lead package that I sold. Okay, next up. I don't see the name on it, so let's open it up and see. Okay, let's see what we got. Someone out of Michigan. Okay. Let's see what we got. Another emerald. Okay, this is another emerald. Oh, and this is a, this is from one of my teammates. I love it when my team makes sales and I get paid. See, 20 bucks, guys, and a book of stamps. That means my team is working. Okay, someone by the name of S. Bronson. Way to go on your sale. Okay, S. Bronson. Okay, see right here? I don't want to show their information, but this is not my letter. Okay, and $20 is what I received from one of my teammates. Wonderful. This is what I love to see. This is what makes me excited. I know I'm going to make sales, but I love to see my team make sales. So way to go on your sale. Yes. Okay, here's one from Teeny. She's out of Maryland. Let's check this one out. Okay. All right, fold this down. All right, and let's see what's inside of this envelope. Okay, it's a money order. Let me cover up her information. I'm just gonna cover up everybody's. Here it's a $65. 65 bucks. Okay, 65 bucks, and this is the book of stamps. Okay, so that means she came in at the emerald level. Okay, the emerald level. Okay, so I sold another emerald package. That's what that means. Okay, I sell lead packages. When people buy lead packages, I receive a commission, and you will be able to do the same, and they will pay you directly. You don't wait on the company, they pay you directly. Okay, here's one from Andre. Okay, let's see what Andre sent in. I like the way you guys cover this stuff up so well. Okay. Andre, let's see what's in here. Stamps. Okay, another 65 in stamps. Welcome aboard, Andre. Here's his information. Let's cover this up. Let's see. Okay, another emerald, guys. Emerald pays $65. Okay, so thank you, Andre, for the stamps and my payment. That's my commission, guys. That's how this works, okay? So get your letters out here. Okay, get your letter out here. Mail this in. Start mailing it to your leads. That's what you need to do. If you join this program and you've been sitting on it and really haven't been pushing it, please do mail your letters, okay? You have the leads. If you run out of leads, go back to the company, order more leads. You get a discount and continue to mail your letters, okay? Perfect timing. Everyone's at home. You can reach them now, okay? They have nothing but time. We have nothing but time on our hands, right? So as you can see, all these that I've been receiving, I have tons and tons of these things, okay? So get with me, get in this program, get started. Impact Mailing Club, a simple business, mailing flyers. I know they're working on a postcard too, so you'll be able to do that as well. But you can't get any simpler than dropping a flyer in the mail, okay? So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I look forward to working with you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I am accessible to my team. Make sure you get back with the person that you join. Whoever you join in this program, that's who you should be contacting with your questions. So my team, feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to speaking with you guys and getting all your questions answered. And for those of you that haven't got started, give me a call. I'd love to chat with you, love to work with you. Thanks for checking out the video. See you in the next video. Be safe out there.